Sharing passwords securely with your team is critical to keeping your business and data safe. In this quick 3-minute tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to share passwords with your team without risking security. Stay with me, and I'll also introduce you to a tool that'll make this process smooth and secure. Plus, I've got a special offer for you at the end that you can't miss. First, let's talk about the dangers of sharing passwords without a system. Sending passwords through email or text can be risky, and if someone gets their hands on those, it's game over. You need a solution that encrypts your passwords and keeps them safe from hackers. Here's the simple, secure way to share passwords. Use a password manager that has team sharing features. A password manager securely stores your passwords and gives you the ability to share them with your team while maintaining control over who sees what. You'll want to look for a manager that offers encrypted password sharing, user access levels, and easy management. This keeps your passwords safe and allows you to maintain control over who accesses them. One important thing to remember is not all password managers are created equal. Some offer more features than others. For example, with our recommended software, you can store unlimited passwords, share them securely, and set permissions so only the right people can access specific information. Plus, you can easily rotate your passwords regularly, which is a key security best practice. Now let's talk about the step-by-step process of sharing passwords securely. First, create a password vault for your team. This is where all the passwords will live. Once you've got your vault set up, you can add team members and decide what level of access each person should have. For example, maybe some people only need view access, while others need full access or editing rights. This gives you complete control over who can see what. Next, share the passwords by selecting the ones you want to share and choosing the team members you want to grant access to. Your team will then receive an invitation to access those passwords securely, and they won't need to store them anywhere else. The passwords are only accessible within the password manager, and the software ensures they're encrypted for maximum security. If you're worried about complexity, don't be. This process is quick and easy, and it's much more secure than sending passwords through email. Plus, many password managers, including the software we're using in this tutorial, offer detailed audit logs. These logs help you track who accessed the passwords and when, giving you an extra layer of security. Finally, the most important part is to make sure you're using a password manager with a free trial so you can get started right away. If you want to follow along with this tutorial, I've got a special offer just for you. An exclusive free trial of the software we're using today. You'll find the link to the free trial in the description below, but remember, it's only available to viewers of my channel. So, here's the key takeaway. Sharing passwords securely with your team doesn't have to be difficult. Use a password manager with encrypted sharing, user access controls, and audit logs to keep everything safe. And don't forget to take advantage of the free trial I've linked in the description to get started right now. Let's quickly recap. First, choose a secure password manager, then create a vault, assign team members, and start sharing your passwords securely. With the right software, it's quick, safe, and efficient. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, be sure to check out the exclusive free trial in the description below. Take action now and protect your passwords the right way.